On February 1st, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will be presenting the Union Budget for 2026. So we are here in Mumbai and asking people what are their expectations from the budget. Let's go. Is there any expectation from the budget this year?
For my industry, new tire prices came down by 28 to 18%. But the retreading prices remain the same 18%. For example, tractor tire from 28%, they brought it from 18%, they brought it to 5%. For retreading, there is no change. So retreading people still pay 18%. So the people who are going for retreading buy new tire because they got 12% reduction. No? So that is slightly affected. I hope this will go to somebody concerned.
Possibly some relief to local traders and basically small businessmen. I understand that the government is promoting a lot of infrastructure development towards manufacturing sector and all, but I would like that some benefits and some basically respite is given to small traders, small businessmen, MSME sector, because I think they are like more or less the backbone of the middleman, like the person who is normally earning. I think some respite should be expected for small traders and small businessmen.
The only expectation is that more people get jobs, especially for like a fresher like me, where people have like an unsaid expectation, like I should have experience and then I'm kind of relevant. So I think more job openings would benefit.
Common people, they are paying the most tax as of now, and they don't get anything in return. Like infrastructure is falling apart, judiciary is taking a hit, there are multiple cases pending, not even a lot of judges have been appointed to their appropriate courts. So like common people are suffering the most. So I expect the budget to focus on common people more and not on the top 1% and 10% of the population.
Something good for senior citizen,
Yeah.
I would prefer if they come up with something reduce the maybe train and bus fare for the senior citizen. It would be a plus point if they do that.
Senior citizens, because what I see is like nowadays, like for the senior citizens as well, like their saving schemes and everything, they give tax on that saving, like the government or any like senior citizen saving schemes. They shouldn't be put a tax on that because they are like their own savings. They're living on their savings which they have, and based on that, if they are being said to give tax, that is their actually income, basically their savings.
सर बजट के बारे में आपकी कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस हो?
महंगाई जिस हिसाब से बढ़ रही है तो उसके ऊपर भी इनको थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा। आप देखिए जो आम आदमी की जो सेविंग्स है बैंक एफडीज़ में है और ये सब है, वहाँ भी इंटरेस्ट रेट लोग कम करते चले जा रहे हैं। तो आम आदमी को तो बैंक का ही सहारा है, और हमारी जीडीपी जो है वो बताते हैं कि 7.5 के रेट से बढ़ेगी, बट इंटरेस्ट रेट तो हमारा नियर अबाउट 5% के आसपास है। तो उस हिसाब से अगर जीडीपी 8% 7.5% है तो हमारा इंटरेस्ट रेट भी नियर अबाउट वहाँ होना चाहिए, जीडीपी से कंपेयर होना चाहिए। तो यही सब है।
तो आपको जीएसटी से कोई कम हुआ है, उससे कुछ फ़र्क पड़ा है आपकी डेली लाइफ में?
नहीं, नो, कोई फ़र्क नहीं। जो चीज़ जितने में मिलती थी आज भी उतने में ही मिलती है।
जीएसटी के हिसाब से जीएसटी उनने कर दिया, पर सीएसटी तो लगता है। हाँ, जो 18% तो हर जगह लग ही रहा है, अभी भी हम पे करके आए हैं। तो जीएसटी का घटाने से और उससे कोई मतलब नहीं रहा।
तो आपका कुछ टैक्स वैक्स कम हुआ तो आपके मतलब कुछ डेली लाइफ में कुछ वैसे मतलब, क्योंकि उन्होंने लिमिट भी हटा दिया ना, मतलब 12 लाख से ऊपर, तो
इंश्योरेंस में हटा दिया, जो कि हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है उसमें हटा दिया है पूरा जीएसटी, बाकी किसी में थोड़ा ही ना हटाया है।
हिंदुस्तान के अंदर महंगाई के ऊपर कंट्रोल करना चाहिए, आम लोगों के बारे में बहुत ख्याल रखना चाहिए, रेलवे वगैरह का जो फेयर है उसके ऊपर भी कंट्रोल करना चाहिए। बाकी जो चल रहा है वो ठीक चल रहा है।
टैक्स वैक्स में कुछ एग्जेम्पशन वगैरह?
टैक्स वगैरह में एग्जाम्पशन अभी तक तो ठीक है, लेकिन जो 30% टैक्स है उसको कम करना चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा लोड है पब्लिक के ऊपर।
This budget comes out very nice for the middle class, because we are having a lot of problems for the income tax, salaried people. So we hope that this budget comes out very nice with this new government which is formed.
These were the expectations of the common man, the Aam Aadmi of India. Pin down your expectations in the comment section, and we hope that this video reaches the Finance Ministry. And on the budget day on February 1st, don't forget to watch our live coverage on the budget and the post-budget analysis only on 18 Hours YouTube channel.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.